Hello guys, welcome back and thanks so much for watching. If you're new, my name is Yolanda and thanks so much for joining me. And please, if you love the video, you love the content, don't forget to click the subscribe button. If you're returning, thanks so much for supporting this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this quick updo in less than 5 minutes. And if you like the style, keep on watching. So my hair is tangled, so it is good for me to start by opening lines using my hands. Then when I'm satisfied, I'm going to go ahead and use a comb. If you like to use a comb, you can go ahead and use a comb for smooth results. Make a horizontal back part and divide your hair into 2 parts and start twisting and locking your hair as you go up. I'm going to take the side piece and attach it to the back side of my hair, and then I'm going to continue twisting all the way up. towards the end, I'm going to braid my hair at least half an inch before I twist it all the way down to my ends to keep my flat twist tight. For the front portion, I'll part my lines going backwards, then make fluffy twists and tuck the ends away. Brush it up and you are ready to go.
Hello guys, welcome back and thanks so much for watching. If you're new, my name is Yolanda and thanks so much for joining me. And please, if you love the video, you love the content, don't forget to click the subscribe button. If you're returning, thanks so much for supporting this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this quick updo in less than 5 minutes. And if you like the style, keep on watching.